Okay, I've thrown a lot of ideas at you over the last lectures. It's time to demonstrate some of this in action. Let's say you are a product owner of an appliance company and your product is the common garden barbecue. Let's see a few ways how we can use large language models to generate some ideas, help with brainstorming, and to create some templates for us. I chose Gemini to demonstrate this, but to be fair, all the large language models I've used are impressive. I could equally have chosen ChatGPT or Copilot. I opted for Gemini over ChatGPT for two key reasons. Firstly, Gemini has access to up-to-date information, which helps with accuracy and relevance in its responses. And secondly, I find Gemini's output a bit more visually appealing. I like the formatting of it. It makes it a bit more easy to digest, but that is subjective to me. Just to illustrate the power of large language models as a research tool and a brainstorming tool, when I wanted to sit down and make this video, I actually had no idea of what product to pick to try and improve. But as I sat here thinking about it and I was looking outside of my office window, I saw my neighbor's barbecue and I decided to ask Gemini, how can I make improvements to the common garden barbecue? And this was the result. And this is what I was after. It's actually given me about 14 different ideas on how to improve the common barbecue. So say if you already have a product and you want to just ask AI that simple question, how can I improve my product? It can have a go at giving you some ideas. Now, the more information you feed the AI, the more specific it can be. And what I liked about the output here was two particular ideas. The first one being remote monitoring and control, and the other one being the smart grill assistant. And these two ideas really got me thinking, for a short time at least. So I made the next prompt to focus in on those two ideas. And I said, I've thought of a product enhancement for the common barbecue, a barbecue attachment with an AI computer vision that can identify the food that's being cooked and predict, given the current temperature of the barbecue, how long it's going to need to cook, and to identify when it is cooked via this camera so that it can send me that information to my smartphone and give me a notification to say, hey, the food is cooked. That would really free me up for socializing and serving drinks, and I will avoid the situation where I've gone and burnt the sausages because I've been too preoccupied with friends. I want my smartphone to notify me, or the barbecue to notify me via my smartphone, that it's time to go check on those sausages before they turn black. Imagine that. Imagine never burning the food again at your barbecues. You will be the most popular barbecue host ever. So ultimately, I asked Gemini to give me a more descriptive description of this product. And it came back with the Grill Master and all this information, how it works, the additional features, and the benefits to using it. I'll let you pause the video at any point in this exercise so that you can read what it came back with. It really is impressive, but I don't want to go through it word by word. You get the idea as I talk through it. But if you do want to pause the video, go ahead and you can see just how useful these large language models can be. Okay, so I was already not only impressed with the output it gave me, but the fact that it's even just generated an idea so quickly. So the next thing I thought I would ask it is, who might the customer base be?